Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new daily update on Bitcoin and a little bit about the markets. But we'll focus on Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin right now is extremely bullish again. The Bitcoin dominance has dropped down all the way to the previous highs we made the 19th of September. And just in general, an important key level. So we'll get back to this a little bit later because this does have implications. On the market as a whole, I will probably upload some sort of a full market update later today, so keep an eye out for that. But now let's focus on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin during the Asian session has pumped up extremely well again. Also kind of the end of the US session, which you can see still at the moment, I believe at least, if it's still the same as yesterday evening. Well, it's actually down a bit, but no, you can see we're still in a Coinbase premium right here, even though it's decreasing. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. But no, over the course of the Asian session, especially right here at 5 a.m. in my time zone, we continued the bullish momentum. But not only did we continue the bullish momentum, we got a massive liquidation spike here. Which, to be fair, in the last couple of videos, what we talked about is that what I've said basically since the election is that I thought it would be most likely that we would continue to make these small all-time highs, and then we would have some sort of a blow-off candle right here, and that would be the top. And then we would pull back, consolidate, and probably go higher. It's a bit of a controversial statement, I agree, but I do think the top is close. All right, for now, we still look quite bullish, and I still think that when the US opens, or when the US wakes up, in this case, on a Sunday, I still think we can get into the low 80,000s, but I do think that in general, and I could be wrong here, all right, because the markets, at the moment, the markets are still extremely bullish, right? So I could be wrong here, but I think given what we're seeing with the major liquidation spike here, and if we also get some sort of a divergence on the 1 hour time frame, which is very much possible. I mean, on the RSI and the price right now, there's already some sort of a divergence brewing. But if we get that, I would say that's confirmation. But overall, I think that yes, we can spike up higher, but that we are at the top. You can see here, for example, like during that 5 a.m. candle, we had some massive liquidations, right? So that's in general, I think, usually a top sign. We'll see, all right? I will not tell you to short Bitcoin here. If you want to short Bitcoin, it's very much better to wait for some sort of a divergence to add to the confluence area here. So basically that you have more reasons to short. And just in general, shorting in these market circumstances, I don't know. But like I said, and it's also like that this move happens on a weekend with relatively low volume, even though the volume right now is at $48 billion. So that's still quite high. That's another kind of sign, like historically, if we do something like that, it's more likely that we will actually see some sort of a sell-off a little bit later. But yeah, we'll see. For now, like I said, what I would say is most likely is that right now we still have that momentum. But I do think it's more likely with also the Coinbase premium dropping down a bit, and also the asset markets or the capital markets, whatever you want to call them, stocks, they look pretty topped out as well. I would say it's most likely that from this level we will have a deeper pullback. And then I personally would be looking at the levels like, first of all, at 75,000, which is a very strong support level, and worst case scenario right here between 72 and 70,000. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I would say is most likely. I will keep you updated on this daily. That's very much necessary in these in these kind of market circumstances and with this price action. So hopefully I'll see you all in my middle of the day market update later today and in my new video tomorrow. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.